I'm Jennifer Anderson, Director of Product and Research and Development at Modere, and I'm a scientist with over 15 years dedicated to researching and developing science-based nutraceuticals. If you've been hearing a lot about probiotics lately, there's a good reason for that. The science is in, and more people are catching on to the benefits of probiotics to help balance their gut flora. But while it's true that probiotics are important to a healthy gut, they don't do the job all on their own. In order to flourish, probiotics require something called prebiotics. You might be less familiar with this term, but prebiotics are the nutrients that feed probiotics. And in the end, they promote the growth of good bacteria and help support a balanced microbiome. But prebiotics and probiotics still don't tell the whole story. So let's talk about postbiotics. Most people have never heard of postbiotics before, and that's because it's an emerging area of research in gut health. They're the functional bioactive compounds generated from prebiotics and probiotics during fermentation. The postbiotic supports most of the overall health benefits, and having a postbiotic in your gut health formula helps optimize the benefits. New science has shown that most of the positive effects of probiotics can actually be attributed to the action of postbiotics. But the natural activity of pre- and probiotics in your gut may not be enough to achieve optimal postbiotic benefits. This brings us to the most exciting up-and-coming development in gut health supplementation yet. Modere Axis Prebiotic is the first supplement I've ever seen that combines pre, pro, and postbiotics in one. We call this combination our microbiome matrix, and its three key factors are GOS prebiotic, Neuroflora probiotic complex, and our Epicor GI Plus postbiotic. GOS prebiotic is an abundant food source for good bacteria to ensure healthy microbiome growth. An in vitro study showed that after 24 hours, GOS actually populated approximately 900% more bacteria than inulin. 900%! And approximately 230% more than FOS, two other common types of dietary fiber. And as it happens, some prebiotics may be incompatible with certain probiotics, and not all pairings have been tested to be effective. That's why the choice to include GOS in Axis Prebiotic is so significant. It's been scientifically shown to pair perfectly with Lactobacillus plantarum DR7 in our exclusive Neuroflora probiotic complex, the second key factor. This exclusive blend of three highly studied strains goes way beyond digestive health and includes L. brevis, shown to support neurotransmitters like GABA to help calm, and serotonin to help you feel happy. P-acetylacticei, shown to support beneficial short-chain fatty acid production and help improve digestive health and micronutrient synthesis. L. plantarum DR7, which has been clinically tested to support immune function, cognitive health, and overall wellness. With these three highly studied strains, Neuroflora has been shown to be effective at much lower doses than typical probiotic products, while not overwhelming the delicate balance of your gut flora. Moreover, these scientifically selected bacteria strains are acid resistant to survive the stomach and populate in the intestines where they're needed. And Axis Prebiotic takes this formula yet another step further by adding the latest development in gut health. Epicor GI Plus is a one-of-a-kind postbiotic chosen to add one of the most important gut health benefits to the supplement, supporting the gut lining in preparation for the growth of good bacteria. It's backed by 15 published studies, including human clinical research and preclinical research on gut wall integrity, microbiome modulation, and immune biomarkers, plus more. One of those preclinical studies used a gut model to look into Epicor's effects on the gut microbiota. A key effect they observed was the stimulation of butyrate production by the microbiome. So what's butyrate? It's a short-chain fatty acid produced in the gut by the fermentation of fiber. Butyrate is essential to a healthy gut and provides the main fuel, up to 90%, for cells of the gut lining. They help to maintain its integrity by supporting the tight junctions, which are like rivets that hold the cells of our gut lining tightly together. They're instrumental to gut barrier function as they help to optimize nutrient synthesis while supporting the selective permeability of the gut lining, immune function, and overall wellness. It's important to support butyrate levels along the intestines where it's needed. This is exactly what Epicor GI Plus has been shown to do in gut model studies. Moreover, the human clinical studies indicate that in addition to its impact on the gut and gut lining, Epicor GI Plus may also support immune health and nasal health. The bottom line, Modere Access Prebiotic with Microbiome Matrix delivers complete 3-in-1 support for gastrointestinal health, gut barrier integrity, micronutrient synthesis, microbiome diversity, immune function, brain and cognitive health, regularity, occasional bloating and occasional constipation, and overall well-being and energy. As the first supplement of its kind to perfectly pair a cutting-edge pre, pro, and postbiotic, Modere Access Prebiotic is the complete package to create the ideal environment for a healthy gut and goes way beyond digestive health to optimize overall wellness.